po jako akawuwo.
This sentence for life, somebody who has killed people, I don't support that.
Ng'ennaku z'omwezi 20 omwezi ogw'omunaana omwaka guno omukulembeze w'eggwanga Pulezidenti Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yalonda omulamuzi Alphonse Owiny Dolongo ono ye yali omumyuka wa Ssaabalamuzi era akuuma entebe eno okudda mu bigere bya Bart Katulebe nga Ssaabalamuzi wa Uganda.
You eat, be satisfied. For us, we are hungry, and when you are hungry, you tend to doze. So while we are dozing, for you will be alert. When the enemy comes, he will wake us up. Because if you all doze democratically.
Ono wamu ne Richard Butera eyalondebwanga omumyuka wa Ssaabalamuzi bakakasibwa Parliament mu kakiiko akasunsula abalondeddwa omukulembeze w'eggwanga.
And also Honorable Mr. Justice Richard Butera as Deputy Chief Justice of the Republic of Uganda. Your Excellency, I now seek your kind permission to present their lordships for swearing into office as provided for by the laws.
Mu kiro ekikeesezza olunaku olwaleero omulamuzi Alphonse Owiny Dolongo akubye ebirayiro nga Ssaabalamuzi wa Uganda ku mukolo ogutegekeddwa mu maka g'obwa Pulezidenti Entebbe.
I, Alphonse Chigamoy Owiny Dolongo, having been appointed Chief Justice of the Republic of Uganda, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
Richard Butera naye alayidde ng'omumyuka wa Ssaabalamuzi.
I, Richard Butera, having been appointed Deputy Chief Justice of the Republic of Uganda, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
Minisita w'ensonga za ssemateeka ne Sigeddamuzi Ephraim Kamuntu yeebazizza Pulezidenti Museveni olw'abakulembeze b'e Sigeddamuzi bano be yalonda bagambye nti abalondedde mu kiseera ekituufu ng'eggwanga liri mu kiseera eky'okukyusa obukulembeze.
To build a very strong judiciary for independence and effectiveness in delivering justice in the land. We really thank you. Not to mention that you have given this country a new constitution which has guided in building sustained stability in the country.
President Museveni mu kwogera kwe annyonnyodde ku misango egimu wamu n'ebigobererwa omuntu okweyimirirwa.
Some of the concepts which are not really in harmony with our indigenous, because our people are still traditional really. So this concept of police bond, police bond is discrediting your system. The villagers say, Tareyo, when they speak in Nyankore, the one who committed the mistake did not even spend the night in prison. He came back. Oh, so there's no point. In fact, when he comes back, the witnesses will not even go. They say, what is it for?
President Museveni avumiridde ekikolwa ky'abantu abamalira ensimbi mu kutambula engendo ezitali mu kuyingiza nsimbi. Kyagambye nti kino kyongera okukosa ebyenfuna by'eggwanga ng'ensimbi ezoononerwa mu kwewummuzaamu zisobola okubaako n'enteekateeka ze zisitula.
So you can really plan within limited means, but be effective. That's what I'm appealing, and I hope in the coming government, this misdirection of resources, travel abroad. I don't know whether you have noticed that the Uganda shilling is stable. Actually, it is gaining against the dollar. It had gone to about 3,800. It has now come back to 3,600 something. And yet we have lost money from tourism,